Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the moment has arrived. This is my box that came back from DJI's trade-in program, as you would call it. So you can see right there, from DJI Return, Retech. Retech is the name of the company. Hasn't been opened yet. So we're going to crack this puppy open, because apparently when I shipped this out to them in almost brand new condition, they said it arrived to them broken. And then after I said, well, that's a brand new camera, it's got screen protectors all over it, and there's no way in hell it's broken, they said, oh, well, there's some scratches on the lens. Which I replied, well, there were screen protectors on it, on all of the screens. So if you just popped those off, the screen would have been in the exact day I got it condition, because those screen protectors were in my possession before the camera was. I literally unboxed my GoPro and put the screen protectors on it immediately. So let's see what we got here. Alright, so... And I also sent 3 batteries and a charger. So let's see if they returned everything, because it should be literally everything I sent. Okay, so here we have the charger, the GoPro, and voila, 3 batteries. Okay, so first things first, lens cap. Protective glass. Let's just I've got a replacement kit, so I'm just going to peel that off real quick and show you. Yeah, it's scratched up, but the actual lens is not. Okay? Let's go for... We won't even mess with that one, but oh no! Well now, let me just brush that back off again, because I ran my dirty ass finger across it. But if you look, not a scratch on it. I mean, yeah, there's a few scratches on the screen protector, but isn't that what a screen protector's for, guys? So, now we turn it on. Holy shitballs, look at that. Fully working. Who knew, right? 84% battery, too. Crystal clear picture. My God. I don't know what to tell you guys over at DJI, but your trade-in partners are shit. And you should probably look into getting new ones. So that's it for me. Thanks.